Hello everyone, my name is Samir and welcome back and I hope so you will be fine. Today I want to share with you one topic guys what do you mean by communication? Yes guys, what do you mean by communication? Communication is very important to our life because without communication we can't talk with stranger people, we can't talk with our family, our friends circle. So it's very important communication. So today I want to share with you this thing how to make a good conversation and what do you mean by exactly meaning of communication. What is this? Okay guys, so let's see that. Guys, first thing we have to understand communication, just conversation. For example, if you talk with stranger people over there, you just conversation each other and some kind of question, some kind of a story if you present in front of people and he and she not understand, so we can say this is not good conversation, this is not good communication. Because communication always understand to each other, reply to each other politely, speak each other, and always people clarify. This is we can say communication. Okay, that moment if you talk about I'm not talking about especially English, I'm talking about any kind of language, Hindi, Marathi, whatever. Okay, if you talk with stranger people, if you talk with like some people in front of you, front of any kind of, okay, then always try to understand, think about like a person, he and she understand my language or not. Always. For example guys, after a long time if you meet your friend circle after a long time, over there definitely your friend, he don't know English language. Okay, just an example, he don't know English language, he and she whatever. Okay, then you try to speak with English language, you try to use the English language, then really think about you will make a good conversation with him and her. No, because your partner he don't know English language. So over there we don't say that it's good conversation, it make a good conversation, nothing. If your partner he and she understand and interest with you like your language, for example English and Hindi whatever, if he and she understand about everything, answer everything, he understand, then we can say this is good conversation, this is proper communication. Communication guys is many type of communication conversation business meeting, then we can say normal conversation and family conversation, friend conversation, casually conversation, like that many type of conversation, but depend on situation guys how to make a good conversation. Yeah, it's very important how to make. See, always try to understand a person, your story and your topic, he and she understanding or not. Okay, and sometimes we confuse guys, like for example some people try to do something like they try to use the English language. Okay, and they try show off I have a great command for English, I have a advanced level fancy word and I want to talk with, I want to share with you, I want to present my idea. But if I do not understand your fancy word, your story, your your speech, then that moment we don't say that like it's good communication. It's like just understanding a self. So over there we do not use this thing guys. So don't mix up any kind of Hindi and English. I'm talking about only for communication. Communication is like any kind of language we can do, we can communicate. Always understand each other, always try to reply politely, and depend on situation guys, what kind of you face a situation and what kind of you are talking about with stranger people, with your friend circle. Okay, so this is we can say good communication guys. Good communication means like uh, always teach, always understand a person, he and she, and what kind of you are using a language, English and Hindi. If he and she understand Hindi and English, then speak with those people. Otherwise over there don't use, don't think about like English and Hindi. If your friend he comfortable to English language, then make a good conversation. If he and she not comfortable Hindi and English whatever, then you do not use. because we understand a language only for comfortable, like Hindi language and English language. We comfortable English language, then we can say we will make a good conversation, we will make a good communication. Good communication, guys, many time I told you, like understand a person, understanding a feeling and emotion and expression also. This is, we can say, good communication. Guys, good communication, if you want to make a good communication, then always speak up politely, always start a casual conversation, like talk about career, future and job and what you are doing. Before I told you, I given a one example, like if you meet your friend circle after a long time, then definitely you will use a, like your native language, not a like advanced language. Am I right? So that moment we can say, like you can create a good atmosphere, good communication. And definitely your communication will be very important for conversation, understanding each other. Because if you do communicate with people, automatically you will build your idea, you will build your story, you will learn something. So it's very very important, guys. Okay, so this is all about communication, guys. And if you want to improve your communication, like how do I improve, and if you talk about like English language, so I'm going to give a tips, guys, like how to improve a communication. Okay, like improve your communication skills. So always practice, guys. And if you don't have any partner, then obviously you should try to something do about, try to contact with customer care. Obviously you have a cell phone, not every day, someday whenever you free time, then try to contact with customer care only for English language, guys. Choose the English language. Okay, and try to talk with your story with your cell phone, like with your customer care, like I have a problem, what should I do. At least try, you will be enjoying definitely. If you do this thing day by day, you will improve your communication. And it's very important, guys, like without communication we can't like make a good conversation, we can't understand nothing, we don't understand anything. So it's very important everywhere is, guys, communication is very important. Without communication is not a good life, we can say. So always try to speak, always try to practice, always try to build your communication. See, guys, you can talk with yourself, it's no problem, people will judge you, okay. Just avoid this thing, like people always judge a people. Always they think about like he's talking with herself, she's talking with herself, like that, doesn't care. Okay, you want to improve your communication skill, then do it, guys. Just practice, you can create an atmosphere. And don't say that like I don't have a partner. You have a cell phone, you can call with customer care, talk about, and you can record yourself and you can talk with yourself, this kind of. If you do, definitely your communication will be improved day by day. So always just think about and make a good conversation. If you make a good conversation, then definitely life will be changed, life will be going good. Okay, so without communication, guys, like we can't stable anywhere. Okay, so this is very important to communication, guys. You can also do with yourself. And I hope so you will be understand what I'm talking about. Okay, and if you understand, guys, so please give me thumb and do subscribe and share. And please, guys, please give me comment how I'm speaking with you, how I'm presenting my story with you. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye bye, see you soon. We will meet again next video. Bye bye.